shortcuts, different ways so I can get to things. So first of all, let's go to, here are all the pictures on my phone, and we sort them by date. We asked around, we said, how do you like to view your pictures? Random orders, alphabetically. People like to see them, we found, by date. So this is our primary view for pictures, is I can see them by the date taken, my oldest shots to my newest shots. Now, I can create favorite pictures, I can tag pictures as favorites. I don't have any tags, I probably should. And I can also go in and check out various albums. Now, this albums view is pretty unique in several ways. First of all, I've got my albums that are here that I've either taken pictures from on my phone, which would be up in the camera roll, or pictures that have been synchronized down to my phone from my computer, such as family, hike, and Lucy's birthday, and so on. Now, as I scroll down, you notice I've got mobile photos from Windows Live. It's an empty folder, a couple folders that are up on Windows Live. So this is giving me a view of the pictures that I have stored up in the cloud on these services. So these pictures don't live on my phone, yet I have access directly to these photo galleries that I have up on Windows Live and Facebook. So I can simply go down here, take a look at, say, the Pike Place Market pictures here. It streams down thumbnails of those photos, and very quickly I can go through and check out, comment on, or browse through the pictures that I have up on Facebook or Windows Live and share them with my friends without worrying about, hey, let me show you the pictures of that wedding I was at. I took them off my phone, I don't have them. But they're on Facebook, go look at them. There they are, right? Just like that. Very seamless operation. Transparent to the end user. As far as I know, as a general phone user, most pictures aren't on my phone. I don't care, I have access to them just as easily. Now, the last hub I have on the phone here that I want to show you is the Music and Videos hub. Every Windows phone is a Zune. It has Zune built into it. The Zune Music Experience. The Zune Music Experience gives me access to my music, videos, podcasts. Every phone will have a radio, an FM radio on it. A marketplace to access things like music. I can download new albums, new artists, new videos over the air directly to my phone anytime I want to the marketplace. Even different music services such as Pandora. I can download those and install those on my phone from the music marketplace. Now this is the multimedia marketplace, which would be different from my main marketplace, which is where I would get other applications like games or productivity apps or business apps, right? Now, I also have the ability to initiate a Wi-Fi sync here manually as well if I wanted to, right from the phone to my computer. And one of the unique things we've got on the phone is Wi-Fi sync can eat up a lot of battery. So what we've done is we've created a little more intelligence in the phone. And when I plug my phone in at home to a charger, the phone pings my wireless network and discovers, hey, I'm home. Connects to my computer, and it synchronizes all the new data back and forth between my computer automatically when it's charging. I don't have to be plugged into a charging cable that's plugged into my computer. I can be there into my house. I can be at my neighbor's house if my Wi-Fi reaches my neighbor's house. Plug in over there to a charger on the wall. As soon as that charger comes up, my phone's going to start syncing back to my PC. Any new music that I want to synchronize to my phone I might have tagged on the PC, changes to playlists and albums, are going to synchronize back over to my phone. Any favorite pictures that I've tagged on my PC that I want on my phone are going to synchronize over to my phone. Any new pictures I've taken on my phone or music I may have downloaded from Marketplace while I was traveling over the air to my phone are going to synchronize back to my PC. So all those photos, all that music has now been set free on my PC, and I can do a whole bunch more with it over there than I can over here on the phone. So all this happens automatically, intelligently by the phone. Now, you'll notice the picture back in the background is the same one that was up on the tile. This is the same, this is the artist picture of the last artist I was listening to. As I change artists, I listen to different music, that photo is going to change. This photo is going to change. So I have access to what was playing, I have access to what's new, so new content syncs over to my phone, synchronize, or I download a new piece of music. I'm on instant access, I'm going to listen to it a lot because I was excited to get it. It's one touch away. I don't have to search through a big old music collection to find what I just put on my phone. It's right there. And if I had a music service like Pandora, it would be one swipe across living between these two portions of the tile. It would give me the hub. It would give me access to Pandora or other streaming music services. Maybe I have a streaming video service, a streaming radio, different streaming music services. They would all show up there, and I could access those as well from that location. So that's it for the hubs and the integration on the phone. I'm going to show you one more hub that I don't actually have on this build on the phone. Oops. So I got to show it to you in a video. This is the office hub. So I'll have an office tile on the bottom of my phone. This is what it's going to look like when the build's been integrated here. One of the first things I'll have on my office hub is my OneNote. Now OneNote, if you're not familiar with OneNote, is a wonderful note-taking application. And on the phone, it offers up all kinds of possibilities. I can take standard notes by typing them. I can take notes with my voice, just little voice notes. Simply go into the office hub, new note, record my voice notes, and I'm done. This information will synchronize back to my PC when I connect up and do an auto sync like what I did with my Zune Music. Now, I can also take picture notes. So I can take a photo, I can take a new note, take a picture of somebody, note down, Joe Blue, remember his name. I always forget somebody's name. I can take a shot of him, make a note, take a shot of a whiteboard sketch, make notes on that, and it'll all show up there and be available to me. Moving across the hub here, as it goes. Sorry, I'm pausing it instead of talking to it. I'll have access to my documents. So Word, Excel, PowerPoint documents. So these are documents that may live on my phone, or the last documents that I actually worked with or accessed. I can create new documents on my phone if I want to. I can upload documents to SharePoint sites. A new feature of our new Office 2010 mobile is SharePoint. This allows me to connect to a SharePoint server, whether it's on the web or back behind my corporate firewall. I can get to those documents. I can download them. I can make changes to them. I can share them back up to that SharePoint site. So when I'm on my way to the airport, the boss calls me and says, that presentation has the wrong title, has the wrong data in it, has the wrong sales data, I can say, 5 minutes, download it again, and it'll be ready. I can go right into it on my phone. I can change that data right off the SharePoint, repost it right there before I even get to my flight. I'm sitting in the back of the cab. Boss is happy, I saved my job, and I can fly out to my next destination. So I have the ability to access my SharePoint documents. I can create new docs, post them up to the SharePoint sites if I wanted to. And I can have quick links up to my favorite libraries that I'm always using, so personal libraries that I use all the time. So that's the Office Hub. That's about it right then for what I have to show you right now. This is just the tip of the iceberg on what this phone will do. Very shallow, high-level view that I was able to give you. It will do a lot more. As we move closer towards launch, we'll be showing a lot more features. Any developers in the crowd, if you're interested in developing for Windows Phone 7 series, it's going to be awesome. We've got a lot of great information that's going to be coming out. I can't talk about it now. I'm not a developer. I don't talk that language. But Mix is coming up next month. It's 3 weeks away, I believe, in Las Vegas. If you're a developer, hopefully you're going to Mix. You will learn all you need to know about developing applications, how they work together, how they run, and how you can build great applications for the new Windows phones. If you'd like to learn some more information about the phones, we've got some touch screens that are running some great demos. Some guys that would be happy to talk to you over here against the wall. I have somebody back behind me from Windows, showing off Windows 7. If you'd like to see our new Windows 7 operating system, great operating system. Or if you'd like to talk to somebody about Windows Live services that run across all the platforms, they're right behind me on the other side here. Thanks for your time. This product is shipping holiday 2010 this year, so don't anybody get too wet standing in line for it.